Alright, Dad, here's the roof. As you can see, actually there's less ridges than I thought. This is where it gets into the other one. It's held by tiny little hexes. And the other thing I can show you is very not attached. So we could possibly just use 1x3s dimensional over and drill through, but I would prefer removing this and putting it directly on the plywood. Maybe using the stuff for the roof for ice damming, because I did have to remove quite a bit of ice in this from here to like here. Dad, this is what I'm worried about. There's nothing left here. This used to be 3/4 inch and it's down to like the one sheet. And I know we're at the border here, but on the inside it's not better from those pictures I took. And it looks, I'm not sure, but it looks like they used 4 feet this way, because there's another joint here, and there's another one here, so it's not even like structurally left or right, there's nothing. Just on the plus side, it is tin and not metal. You can see it here, it's just nothing. It's basically the stuff that you use to compare, like this, compared to that, which is metal. Doesn't even sound the same. I'm not sure you can see this, Dad, but the issue is not necessarily the plywood, but the fact that the metal structures are stronger than the wood that's been utilized, and it's actually pushed down around it. It's done it here severely, in that one spot right there. Let's just go see if it's done it anywhere else. Not that I can see. Oh yeah, it's done it there. It's done it there. Basically where the joins are. There's failure points at the joins. So it seems like they actually did not use 4x8s in the way that we would have thought. They are putting them down like that, and they've cut them everywhere. They've put these green 2x4s. So it's not one sheet of plywood, it's just a section of plywood cut for that area, which is super strange. I don't know why they would have done that. Except if they were using, like, maybe they bought 4x4 plywood sheets, not 4x8s, and then they just cut what they needed. But that means the join is not holding anything. Food for thought. We might have to remove that plywood one way or the other.